Part of life's beauty is to discover things. Marahil po nung naimbento po ang mga bagay po na ginagamit natin araw-araw, from food, wearing, technology, and many others, the inventors cannot but shake in excitement and happiness to what they have discovered. When you were studying or when we were studying, we cannot but feel the desire to share what we have learned from our classroom and maybe share it to your parents, to your friends afterwards. After discovery comes the desire to testify, to share, and maybe to open the beauty of what we have discovered. But to testify to things that are not true is not being fair to truth. Napakahaba po nung ating unang pagbasa. Pero ang dami pong baon po nung napahayag po sa ating unang pagbasa. But I would like us to see what those men who accused Susanna did. They testified to what is not true. Pinagtakpan pa nila yung kanilang sariling ginawa. Pinasa nila kay Susanna yung sanang pagkakamaling ginawa nila. Hindi sila nagpatotoo sa ginawa nilang krimen sa babaeng ito. But on the one hand, Jesus would like us all to be inspired. He testified to what is true. He testified to the goodness of the Lord, and he is proud of doing it. Notice these two different level of events. And what we can learn about this is that if we have the courage to speak of good testimonies, then let us also have the courage to share what we have done, what were our weaknesses. Given na po siguro na nagpapatotoo tayo sa ating buhay sa kabutihan ng Diyos. Pero wag din po nating kalimutan umamin, magpatotoo o tumestigo sa kahinaan at sa mga naging kasalanan din po natin. When the Lord testified to the goodness of His Father, blessings came along from then on until now. But when the men who who falsely accused Susanna covered up their faults, they were led into trouble. If we have the courage to share goodness, have the courage as well to share our weakness and admit our faults. Maligayang magpatotoo sa kabutihan ng Diyos, maluwag din po sana nating harapin ang pagkukulang nating nagawa. My dear friends, in front of the Lord and of each other, let us be happy in sharing what the Lord did and maybe is doing for us. But let us also have the heart to sincerely confess what we have done and gain peace in doing such.